excited about because y'all already know who it's from. This is a unit that I picked up from UNiceHair. Y'all know they are my most favorite human hair wig. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, as at this point I'm probably uploading about 2 UNice units per week because they are my favorite. If you're an oldie but goodie, you already know what it is. All I've done is take this out of its shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with you guys on this channel. So the unit came in, of course, its iconic pink box, and we have the unit. I'm just looking at my hand and I see already pre-done curls, so that's pretty. Okay, they also included some extras, and I love them for their extras because they're things that I will actually use. Some HD wig caps, some press-on nails, and as you can see, I need some because that one is falling off. So press-on nails and an edge band with their branding on it. Okay, so stuff that I will use. I'm just reading directly off of here, but if you look in the description box, I will put all the information down there as well. This is a Bye Bye Knots wig, and y'all know I love a Bye Bye Knots wig because they are affordable and they are super beginner friendly. It's a 7x5, beginner friendly. It's a body wave and it's 24 inches long. Okay, so let's take it out of this packaging so I can show you how beginner friendly this is. And we can look at this cap construction. UNice also includes extra Bye Bye Knots tabs with their Bye Bye Knots wigs. And I use these on every wig. If I'm leaving the house in a unit and not my little slick back head, I always have these on. So these are just good to have regardless, only if you use them in the wig. Let me show y'all what I mean when I say beginner friendly. Now this is this unit straight out of the pack. Y'all, if somebody was trying to unalive me, like they had a weapon up to my head and said, make these curls, y'all, it's over with. I'm gonna have to check out. I could never get these, look how bouncy. I could never get these curls on my own. So I love that because that means this unit is super beginner friendly. But that's not the only thing that makes this unit beginner friendly. Y'all, look at this unit. Right out of the pack, straight out of the pack. Everything, I dropped my clicker. Everything has been done for you. How nice is that? I also want to show you this construction because I'm pretty sure that I picked one. Yeah, this cap construction is also super beginner friendly. So you get the 7x5 parting space, which makes it super easy. But the other thing that I want you to see is I love that UNice has started to cut out where the ear goes on these wigs to make it more comfortable on your head. So I absolutely love that little feature. We have a comb in the back. We get some adjustable straps, and they have this strip of adhesion going around the wig to also make it lay flush to your head. This is just a nice wig. They've also, and it must be in the box then, they also have the tab to make this, to attach a glueless band into this wig. See that? Yeah, okay. Okay, y'all, this one is gonna be nice, and it's not gonna take much. All I'm gonna do is brush out these curls, give you a 360. I might pull some half up, half down because I do that with all of these wigs because they're just so pretty. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Just wanna get away, just feel right.
by UNice, and I know at this point y'all know how much I love these Bye Knots wigs. When I review one of these that I picked up, I always like to film me doing half up, half down, because I know for some of you like a 7x5 might seem like but with a 7x5 you could do half up, half down. You can part it to the left, the right, the middle. It is my favorite cap construction, a 7x5 and a 5x5. But I absolutely love it, and this wig by UNice is no. All I did was I brushed the curls out a little bit with my fingers. I don't even think I used a brush. And these are the gorgeous loose waves that we got. This is a wig that I can definitely recommend. And I have so many of these at this point. I have them already styled for if I am going to go out. Like for my body wave ones like this, y'all, I would throw some flexi rods in this thing before I put it on my mannequin head like 2 or 3 days. And when I'm ready to go, I just take the flexi rods out and I'm ready to ride. These are affordable, super affordable. They are very, very beginner friendly, and the quality on these are top notch. I can definitely recommend that you go and check this out. I filmed the bob version. I'm not sure the order I'm uploading these, but I just filmed the bob version. I picked up a water wave version, and there's one other one. I think it's a Kiki straight version that I picked up as well. And I love all of. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are, because y'all know what my thoughts are. I absolutely love these Bye Knots wigs by UNice. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.